On June 23, 2024, Master Sergeant Moore with the Marion County Sheriff's Office observed a 2012 Buick being driven in an erratic manner while headed westbound on Southeast 24th Street. He let the vehicle pass in front of him before activating his lights and initiating a traffic stop. He notified dispatch regarding the traffic stop and made contact with the driver, who was identified as 20-year-old Nalanie.
Hey, go ahead and step out. Go ahead and step out. You almost hit me.
Oh, when...
Yeah, you almost crashed into me.
I thought you were going off to the side.
I did go off the side, ma'am.
Yeah.
Go ahead and step back here. How much you had to drink tonight?
Not much.
You almost ran into me.
I thought you were going just off to the side of the road.
I did. I went off the side of the road, and then you went completely off the side of the road and almost hit me.
I didn't almost hit you. I was just going with you.
Why were you going with me off the side of the road?
No, like I was following you, and then like...
Yeah, and you went all the way off the side of the road.
Okay.
So the whole reason I was pulling over was to let you get in front of me, because I was watching you in my mirrors, and you've been driving on the wrong side of the road.
No,
ma'am,
okay.
You went over, came back, went over, came back.
Okay.
Is this vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
20.
Okay. Stand back here at the back of your vehicle for me. You have a valid driver's license?
Yep.
Go ahead and stand off the roadway.
This is your vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do me a favor? Just lean up against here right here. I don't want you in the street in case a car
No,
goes
you're
by.
good.
Okay.
You're good.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from like Wildwood area.
Oh, okay.
Like going towards Lady Lake.
Okay.
So Wildwood towards Lady Lake.
Gotcha.
I just saw y'all pass like and go into the road or like into the side, so I thought there was something like in the road.
Mm-hmm.
So I swerved too, but...
The vehicle's registered to you?
It's to me and my mom.
Okay. How old are you?
20.
Okay.
So where are you headed to right now?
So I was going from Wildwood to Lady Lake.
You're going from Wildwood to Lady Lake?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know where you're at right now?
2-973 Marion. 2507 advise on our response.
Okay.
Like I know the area. I've grown up in Lake County my whole life.
Okay.
So it's like...
Do you know what county you're in right now?
It might still be Sumter, I'm thinking.
Okay. You're in Marion County.
Marion, or Sumter or Marion, that's what I...
Okay.
Yeah.
You're nowhere near Wildwood, and you're nowhere near Lady Lake. You're actually in Ocala.
Well, yeah, that's... Like, I was coming from Marion, Ocala, towards Lady Lake.
You said you were going from Wildwood to Lady Lake.
Like Wildwood, Ocala. Because you know how...
Wildwood's not near Ocala.
I'm saying, you know how villages, they kind of readopted,
But Wildwood is way south of us.
Yeah.
Yes,
You're about...
I understand. I'm saying villages just bought a part of Wildwood that is now villages.
Correct. I understand that.
Yeah.
So where did you leave from?
I was leaving from Wildwood. That's the new, like the Coleman part of the villages.
Okay. And where were you headed to?
To Lady Lake.
Okay. So from there to there,
Yeah.
you're about 40 miles away from both those locations.
It's a pretty good distance.
I was following Apple Maps.
Okay.
Sorry. I can just hear them.
Mm-hmm.
I just know I pulled over to the side of the road because I saw them pulling over.
I know, but we are on the side of the road, and you just about hit us.
I know, but I was pulling over.
But why were you pulling over?
Because you guys were pulling over and you're in front of me. Does that make sense? I don't mean...
I know, but you just about hit us. I mean it scared us. We had to pull away over the grass to move out of your way. Because you...
Okay,
whatever.
just in my perspective, it was, you guys pulled over and I was riding behind you guys. You guys pulled over, so in my head I'm thinking, there's something like in the road. So I also pulled over,
okay.
If that makes sense. But
the deputy's going to come over here and talk to you and stuff, okay?
Yeah,
so
that's fine.
As Master Sergeant Moore was speaking with her, he observed indicators of impairment. Nalanie was asked to exit the vehicle, and she admitted to him that she had consumed alcohol earlier that evening. Deputy Eck was called to the scene to assist, and she asked Nalanie to perform field sobriety exercises.
Hello, I'm Deputy Eck. How are you? What's your name?
Nalanie.
Nalanie? Okay. So here's where we're at. Based off of our observations thus far, I was requesting that you perform field sobriety exercises. Okay.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna come over to the sidewalk over here. Be careful with the hill over here.
Watch your step.
All right. Go ahead and stand right there. Stand right there.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell you something real quick?
Stand right there.
Yes, ma'am. I just don't have a bra on.
Okay, that's fine. I don't care about that. All right. Have you ever done this before? Stand in front of me. Face me.
Oh.
Okay, face that way. Have you ever done these before?
No.
Have you ever been arrested or anything like that before?
No.
You said your name's Nalanie? That's a cool name. Alright. So, okay, so I'm gonna read this to you. Don't do anything until I tell you to, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first exercise, you said you've never done these before, correct?
No.
Okay. Do you wear contacts or anything like that?
Yes.
You do? You have them on right now?
I do not.
Okay, do you wear glasses?
They're in the car.
Okay, were you wearing them?
I was,
Okay.
but I took them off when I got out.
Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together like this. Okay, hands down by your side.
Yep.
You're going to maintain this position until the exercise is complete. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. You're going to keep your head still, look at and follow my pen with your eyes only. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Keep looking at the pen until told the exercise is over. Do not move your head or any part of your body. Okay? So you're going to keep your head still and follow my pen. Okay? Okay, watch right here where my finger is. Okay? Keep looking at the pen.
I see it in my peripheral.
Okay. Okay, you can relax. This next exercise is called the walk and turn, okay?
Yep.
Alright, what I want you to do is I want you to place your feet...
Hold on.
Huh?
That car was just passing. What?
Okay. Place your foot... Okay, so you're going to place your left... Okay, stay where you are.
Yeah.
Go back there.
Yep.
You're going to place your left foot on the line and place your right foot on the line ahead of the left foot with your heel of your foot against the toe of your left foot. We're going to go like this. Okay, start like this. Go ahead and start like that. Put your feet together.
So like
Put your heel touching your toes. So put your right foot, there you go. Stay like that, okay? Put your hands down by your side. And you're going to maintain that position until I have completed the instructions. Do not start the walk until I told you to do so, okay? Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, stay there. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, turn, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. It's going to look like this, okay? It's going to go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Take a series of small steps to turn around. 1, 2, 3, all the way back to 9. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. While you are walking, you're going to keep your arms at your side, watch your feet at all times, and count your steps out loud. Once you start walking, don't stop until you have completed the exercise. Do you understand the instructions?
I understand.
Hold on.
Oh.
Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, you can relax.
Just 9?
Yep. This next exercise is going to be the one-legged stand, okay? Please stand with your feet together with your arms by your sides, like we've started every other position, okay? Just gonna start like this. Put your feet together. Okay. Feet all the way together. There you go. Do not start to perform the exercise until I tell you to do so. Do you understand so far?
Yep.
Okay. When I tell you to start, you're going to raise one leg, either leg, with the foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your raised foot parallel to the ground. So it's going to look like this. You're going to stand like this. I'm going to tell you to begin. You're going to raise whichever foot and keep it 6 inches off the ground. Okay? Keep both legs straight and your arms by your side. While holding that position, count out loud the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until told to stop. Keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep watching the raised foot. Once you start the exercise, do not stop until I instruct you to do so. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
You may begin.
101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. What was I supposed to go to?
Until I tell you to stop.
Oh, sorry. 111, 100. Hold on. 111.
Okay, you can relax.
112. I just have Crocs on, that's why.
What's that?
I just have Crocs on.
I got you. Alright, this next exercise is going to be the finger to nose, okay? So with this one, you're going to stand with your feet together, arms at your side, your face that way. There you go. You're going to stand with your feet together, arms at your side, make a fist with the index finger extended and rotate the palms forward. So you're going to go like this.
So,
With both hands.
oh, both hands.
Yep, go ahead and put them down by your side. Maintain that position, okay? Okay, do not start until I tell you to do so. When I tell you to start, close both eyes and tilt your head back. Keep your eyes closed and your head tilted back during the entire exercise. Do you understand? So it's going to look like this. You have both hands like this.
Yeah,
You're tilted back like that with your eyes closed. When I tell you to, you're going to bring the hand I direct upward, touching the tip of your index finger to the tip of your nose.
Doesn't matter which hand?
I'm going to tell you which hand. So if I say right, you're going to bring your right hand up. Look at me. You're going to touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose.
Yeah.
Don't miss. Don't do any of that stuff, okay? After touching your nose, immediately bring your hand back down to your side. So I'm not going to tell you to bring it back down, okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Deputy Eck started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Nalanie did not touch heel to toe on each step and turned improperly. The third exercise was the one leg stand test, and Nalanie failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and used her arms for balance. The fourth exercise was the Romberg alphabet recitation, and the fifth exercise was the finger to nose test.
Ready? Go ahead and close your eyes, tilt your head back. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay. You can relax. Alright. Did you graduate high school?
Yep.
Okay. So is it safe to say that you know your alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. So for this one, I want you to, you're going to stand with your feet together, with your hands down by your side. Do not perform the exercise until I tell you to do so. When I tell you to begin, you're going to close your eyes, tilt your head back, and recite the entire alphabet from A to Z out loud in a slow, non-rhythmic manner without singing. Do you understand?
I understand.
So instead of saying A, B, C,
instead of singing,
right,
say it.
Exactly.
Yep.
So you may begin.
A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and face away from me. Put your hands behind your back. You're being arrested for driving under the influence, okay? Alright, you can come back to my car. Do you have anything on you that'll poke me, prick me, stick me,
No,
hurt me? Any weapons or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Do you have any pockets or anything?
I
Basic
literally
car.
have nothing. I don't even have pockets.
Okay, you don't have a problem, correct? Pretty feet for me. Okay, there's nothing up there. Okay. Take your left foot out of your sock, your shoe. Lift your foot up. Okay, the back. Do it with your right one. Okay. Put your foot on. You can have a seat.
Can I get my phone or anything?
Yeah, we'll get that for you. Where is it?
It should be in the front passenger.
Okay. Do you have a wallet or anything in there?
There should be my backpack. It's a gray backpack. It has everything in it.
Okay.
It has my keys,
Whose
my
car is
phone. So it's my car. It's primarily insured to me. However, my mom is a co-signer.
Okay.
So she's kind of on it, but it's primarily assigned to me.
Okay. Just hang tight for us, okay?
Based on her erratic driving, her indicators of impairment, her admission to consuming alcohol, the open containers inside her vehicle, and her inability to adequately perform the field sobriety exercises, Nalanie was placed under arrest for driving under the influence. A search of her vehicle incident to arrest yielded the presence of an alcoholic beverage inside a Starbucks cup, in addition to multiple open containers. After Nalanie was placed in the car, she was transported by Deputy Eck to the Marion County Jail for further processing and charged with a DUI. At the Marion County Jail, Nalanie agreed to submit breath samples. Her breath samples indicated BAC levels of 0.221 and 0.223 respectively. She was later released from jail pending her court appearance after she posted bond.